Okay, I was hoping to have more time to go over Ruby Part 2, but I'm going to go over it kind of quickly. All right. Ruby Part 2. I was totally shocked that nearly everybody did Ruby Part 1.
What?
Really? Most people, trust me, I usually have a large percentage that don't. But since you couldn't do Part 2 without doing Part 1, I already did Part 2, which was amazing.
And I was looking for Part 2 when I turned in Part 1, so I could get started on it.
Oh, I didn't put up to it until like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
But Taylor did not do Part 1, but she sent me the best email ever. She's not here, so I'm not going to cover it. Maybe next week we'll cover it. But it was really good. That is a way to get someone to accept someone. First of all, she just had a baby. I would have accepted it anyway. I didn't expect to see her back this way, but it was really good email. But, okay, for Part 2, here's what you can do. You're going to go to Rapid7's exploit database, and I'll go there with you real quick. Actually, I want to copy this out. I'm going to go to this link. Okay. Now, this is where all the stuff that Metasploit uses is at. Okay. Good. You're going to go here. You're going to find a vulnerability and find an exploit. Yes. Yes, I'm recording. Yes. Make sure. Let's make sure I'm recording this. Well, yep, I'm recording. So go here. I'm going to put in the exploit you all use in the Metasploit assignment. Okay. So I'm just put in one. And it comes up and it shows you, hey, look, there's vulnerabilities and there's exploits as well. Okay. So like I say in the assignment, go here. An example, if you search for this, do not use this one. I'm using it. You have to use your own. Just find one. Okay. There's billions of exploits.
So can we just run the
Yeah, you can literally go Metasploit and show exploits. Or you can go to this place here and type in Internet Explorer, and it will literally show you the exploits for Internet Explorer. Or you can type in whatever, Outlook 2013, and we'll show you the vulnerabilities in Outlook 2013. Yeah, you can search by vendor, by application, or by exploit name. Kind of handy. So you're going to go there, and it will give you a list something like this. Briefly tell me about the vulnerability you pick. Okay? Don't just copy the description. Read it and tell me a little bit about it, okay? I want to know things like date discovered, date patched, severity, the CVSS, which is the Common Vulnerability Scoring System, okay? Yes, when you do, let me bring up this vulnerability. Let's pick this one right here. You see, it tells you all, there's the severity, there's the CVSS, there's the publish, there's the edit, there's the modify, there's the description. All this stuff is here, okay? Now, this is the Common Vulnerability Scoring System. You need to tell me what the heck that means. And if you go to this assignment here, I even gave you a link to it, okay? If you go, I said, do not just say AV:(N), but I'd rather you tell me attack vector network. So if you looked at this assignment, right here it says AVN. Y'all see that? That stands for the attack vector for this one is through a network. Yes?
It says ACL after that. We have to continue to expand.
Yep, you can do all of that. Okay. But I was nice enough to include the link, which is right here. If you go here, we'll tell you what they all are. You can literally click attack vector network, attack complexity high, privilege requirement none. So you literally can go through that list, click them all. Okay, and I'm going to click just one in each of these because you got to click them all before it'll give you a score. Then it'll actually generate. Wow. Okay. Well, it will give you a score. I'm surprised at that. How did I possibly pick? Oh, because I said none. That's why. There we go. Now we got a better score. Okay. So take that information from the vulnerability, put it in here, and you're going to tell me. You're going to say attack vector was network. You're not just going to do AVN. You're going to say attack complexity was high. I just want you to understand how to read this. Then you're going to give me a score. Okay? Everybody okay on that part? Pretty simple. I gave you the exact link to get it from. So you can read it. Okay. Who discovered OS is affected? What can an attacker do? A link how to fix it. Then tell me about the exploit. Maybe the module name, the targets, the platforms, the reliability. Include the source code. So we want to know where the source code comes from. Let's go, hold on, get this thing to go away. Okay, now I'm going to go right here. Oh, there's an exploit available for this vulnerability. I'm going to click on it. And it's going to go right down here, and I'm going to click on source code. It's going to give me the exact Ruby source code of the exploit.
So
Pretty neat, huh?
Learning how to work these websites.
Yes, and you're going to have to read this code a little bit. Okay? Okay, you're going to have to tell me. Okay, target, you're going to have to say, explain different components of the source code. You have to include the source code. Like the description. Now you can copy the description of the exploit. They're normally quite short. Tell me the CVE, the author, the ports. Does it support port translation? What I mean by that is, let's look down here. Look for our port. Okay, right here. If our port is 139 or our port is 445, it changes it to 135. See what I mean by that? So if you specify 139 or 45, it's going to change it to 135. So I didn't know it did that. Because when we walked through this, I told you to put in a specific number. I didn't know that it took it and remapped it to something else. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Then look at the code and tell me something about it. Okay, just read the code. I mean, find something. There's something in there, I'm sure. Now, I made a rubric for it. The way I'm going to grade this is each one of those little items I just read off, I'm going to click. Did you have it? Did you not have it? Yes or no? You get 5 points for each one. So if you skipped the source code, what did you learn about? I'm going to say no, you get -5 points. If you skip the CVV in English, 0 points. So it's 5 points each. Should be simple. And if you click on the assignment, it actually has it listed the same exact way. Easy enough to do? Okay. I didn't want you guys to go write an exploit because I cannot write an exploit. But this way, at least you can see what an exploit looks like. And yeah, well, I've been writing a grant. Our final grant report is due, and I've literally been working on it day and night. And I'm done with it now. I gave it to the dean, and okay, I'm going to stop this recording on this, but so it shouldn't be that hard to do.